Yeah. We have a tune that's on our new album, and we'll have some of those here with us this weekend. We'll make sure to announce that we'll be here this weekend, this Saturday night. Nashville Bluegrass Band for, what is it, just one set or two sets? Two sets? This Saturday. 4 sets? Anyhow, we'll be here all night, so make sure to come down and be with us and bring Grandma, because it is a family show. And, oh, speaking of family show, we got a song here. It's on album number 2. And it was written by a fellow named Greg Brown. And it paints a very beautiful picture about an experience that happened to a family that lived along the path of the train that ran from New York City to Meridian, Mississippi, that carried Jimmie Rodgers home when he died. It's a singing great one. But we hope you'll enjoy it. And see let me get into you.
We're going to thank everybody that's here for your kindness and your generosity towards one of us. We appreciate that, and I'll give yourselves a hand. I think you. It is okay to catch yourself here. The train that carried Jimmie Rodgers home. Almost lost our spirits too. Oh, but it's the strangest thing when we heard that man sing. Oh, we knew somehow we'd make it through. I can hear that whistle blow. That old train is rolling slow. Sound like it's crying.